Hello guys, this is Joel Manoj and you're watching me on my channel. So then I just received this order from Rockerz just now, and we are here for unboxing this box. And basically it contains a on-ear wireless headphone with mic, and it is from Rockerz 400. And this is a best earphone I have ordered from Rockerz over earphone, and I'm very excited to open this box. Then let's go ahead. And basically this is a refurbished product. This is not brand new, this is refurbished. Refurbished is like if anyone found means like you have ordered from Amazon or Flipkart, and by any case you got some missing things, then after you are registered for complaint, I have got this problem, something like that, and you just return back this product, and the company will refurbish again. Means whatever the problem is happening to this product, it will eliminate those problem. Then after it is again for sale, and this is very effective price they are given to me. And I'm gonna start now. And this is from, you can see that this is from Rockerz, and just bear with me, this is just a quick unboxing. Its actual price is like 2000 rupees, and I've got this 629 exclusive only on Rockerz. I bought many earphones from this website, and each of them are very good in terms of sound and packaging and everything. I just like this website, so that's why I've ordered this first time over earphone. So packaging is nice, and we are opening this product. Stay with me, bro. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it to help grow my channel. This video is not a sponsor. I'm just a student now, and I'm investing my money. I like to unbox the product. So this is the box from both Rockerz, and both branding, plug into Nirvana, and there are some specification I've given here, and it is written over here: music playback up to 8 hours from one charge, and charging times 2 hours. It will take 2 hours from full charge to full charge, and standby up to 10 hours. And they're written over here: play music via mobile, tablet with crystal clear sound and extra bass, compatible with iOS, Android, and Windows, and rechargeable batteries, and inbuilt microphone, and it is a good earphone. And there are lots of color available here: gray, green, black, blue, black, red, black, carbon black. So let's open this one. This is the box itself, and it contains some damaging here with box during transporting. So it's not a big deal for me. Big deal for some people, but I'm fine with that. So this is the box. This earphone. Let me take side of that. This is the data syncing and data cable, which can be used to charge this earphone. And this is the aux cable. Aux cable